Oh, eto na nga. With nearly 70 million digital streams and their chart-topping single, Ikot broke into the Billboard Philippines Hot 100 and became an anthem for fans everywhere, earning millions of new listeners. This October can't be over without them. So here's Over October.
Paikot-ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti.
There's something about Over October that goes beyond music. Hindi lang sila banda. Sila ay pamilyang pinagbuklod ng musika.
The way I can describe our music, it's pop rock, and it's full of feels, rock and hugot. It's very soundtrack of your life or soundtrack of your road trip.
We try to draw inspiration from any musical element na establish na namin. So, for Ikot, it was the arrangement. Paulit-ulit yung pabalik-balik siya dun sa hook. Kaya Ikot. For Dahan, it was because of the melody of the chorus. Parang dahan-dahan din yung pinagay sa'yo.
Formed in college. So, back then, we had an org called the Ateneo Musician School, where we were all a part of it, except for Jory, because Jory came from a different school. But then we were all there. There was a year-end event called the Recital, where it's like a mini concert with the different groups in that org. And it just so happened that Lua, me, and Janessa were in the same group. And at the end of that event, we had fun together, and then Lua asked me if I wanted to form a band. And I was like, yeah, okay, game. And then we started adding members, and then I asked Jory to join the band. And then it's been the same lineup since then.
I think it's because we're all friends. It don't get to 11 years kung hindi gusto yung mga katrabaho. I guess in some cases you can, pero mahirap. We try to communicate everything we kahit yung mga uncomfortable stuff, we communicate those with each other para walang tinatagong hinanakit.
Memories that come to mind is pag recording kasi kami, go all the way up to Baguio and then stay there for a while. So we essentially live together for a while kasi nagluto kami. Well, si Anton yung taga-luto namin. Si Jory minsan. Parang, kasi yung pagkain pa namin parang family style, gano'n. So, I guess we're in that level of comfortable na. Sa 2 weeks na yun, walang away.
We've been together every day.
We've all somewhat parang taken our own responsibilities. So, merong stress na parent for each aspect of the work. So lahat kami
stress parent. Ikaw ba yung eldest?
No. Yes.
Kalaglagan. Ayan. So, may amin ba?
Well, I think sabi ni Anton, parang there are times kasi na someone has to be the more mature one and some others can be the less mature. Yung mga impulsive, gano'n. So parang we check and balance each other.
I love you.
Sobrang thank you for the relationship that we have. I consider you like parang my brothers na rin. Honestly, parang our longest relationship is with each other. So parang ito yung friends na dito kayo sa taas. Like, sobrang I really value that kind of relationship. I love you.
Same.
Sabi ko sinabi.
No, same. Like what Janessa said, it's you don't come across people like that you can stick with for 11 years. So we're just really thankful for each other, thankful for them, and yeah, together we made our dreams come true. And whatever happens after is already a bonus. So yeah, thank you.
Mahalo kayo from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you for not making shit on taking me away from the corporate life.
And hello to everybody that has been listening to our music for the past so many years. Thank you so much for supporting the music. Thank you so much for supporting Over October. And we hope to continue making more songs for you and playing more shows that will entertain you. Yeah, please stream our latest song, Dahan.
In every relationship, words fade, but the feeling stays. What makes bands like this special is the hearts beating together in every song and moment.
So, actually, we're just recently fan ng Over October. Pero, we've been listening to them for a whole year na. And actually, ang Over October para sa amin is, sabihin natin, di lang talaga sila isang banda.
It's like we're like their family to us. Like I see them as my brothers. Kapag may kuya ka na super close mo talaga, mapagsasabihan mo ng mga feelings mo na kuya, ganito ganyan, meron akong crush, ganito ganyan. Tapos yung kanta kasi nila, nakaka-relate kasi siya. So parang ang dating sa akin, sila yung advice givers.
Dahil ang pamilya hindi lang sa dugo. Minsan, natatagpuan ito sa pagkakaibigan, koneksyon, at minsan sa isang banda.